With the Joinery function, you can insert windows into the walls of the floor plan. Click on the Windows tab and you'll see a few settings. The first section allows you to choose between three types of windows. The window sill includes the window and a line that represents the window sill. The sill nosing is the same type as the window sill, but it includes a nosing in the sill instead of a straight line. The large window represents a window without any type of sill. This section allows you to indicate the position of the window with respect to the wall thickness. If you choose interior, the window will be placed in the inner side of the wall. If you choose center, the window will be placed in the center, and exterior will place the window in the outer side of the wall. This section will let you choose how to locate the window along the wall. If you choose free, the window can be inserted on the wall without any restrictions, as long as its length fits in the wall. If you choose the fixed distance option, you will have to set the distance from the closest wall corner where the window will be placed. So if I type a fixed distance of 1 meter and press OK, I will be able to place this window at exactly 1 meter from this corner or this corner just by placing the window preview near it. When the window detects the wall, it will snap to the specified distance, and now I can click to confirm the insertion. If you choose the option of centered inside, the window will be placed in the center of the side of the wall which you choose to insert the window. So if I place the window in this side of the wall, the window will be placed in the center of this line. However, if you choose centered outside, the window will be placed in this side of the wall, but using the center of the opposite side. Therefore, if you want to place the window in this side of the wall, the window will use the center of the outer side. Note that in some cases, the center of the outer side of the wall will be different to the center of the inner side of the wall. That's why we have included this placement option. If you choose the maximum length option, the window will adapt its length to the total length of the wall. The window will maintain the same number of sashes and settings except the window length. The number of sashes allows you to specify the amount of sashes of the window. The length option will determine the total length of the window, including the frames. As you can see, the frame thickness value comes by default with a value of 0. This value represents a standard thickness of 5 centimeters, but you can easily change it if you want to.